Hello, welcome to June DR Soundscape. My name is June, and today we're going to talk about the Phantom 07. It's one of the newest additions to my keyboard family. I may or may not tell you how I got it, but yeah, I am not sponsored by Roland or Korg or anything like that. But I'm going to talk about it. It's going to be part of my gigs moving forward, and today we are heading to Pier 1 to set it up and get it nice and tight and snuggly. So, see you there. Samahan niyo ako. Alright, nandito na kami sa Pier 1. Kasama ko si Richmond but he went to the toilet. Pero papakita ko lang sa inyo. Lalabas ko na yung ating Phantom. So later, I'll show you yung setup ng Phantom and some basic features as well. Ito po siya. Itong case na ito. Itong kabila ay Kronos. This is the Phantom. So, yeah, it's longer than the Kronos because it's 76 keys. But, well, there's a reason I got the 76 keys. And I'll tell you guys why later. So, I'll just get set up and kakain muna kami ng pares. See you later. Sama ko ngayon, si Obe, at si, pangalan mo, si Jan, si Boy, hindi si Jan, si Jan yan, si Jan, ang ating mga magigiting na PA, yan.
Pag may sinabi siya, reply.
Wala pa kasing power, so hindi pa ako makapag-walkthrough.
Sa pagiging professional.
Ang i-walkthrough ko kasi ngayon yung
Lagi ako maaga.
yung Phantom. Diba? So mamaya na,
Siguro pa kasi hindi naman
tinitesting ko pa tong
hindi lang naman
tong
sa isang yan or
tripod na medyo mababa pala, akala ko mataas. So,
Kasama yan dyan sa...
hindi, wala ito eh. Lazada lang to.
Hindi, malalaman
Kasi yung original mahal eh.
Malalaman daw.
Hindi, ano lang to eh. China to, China. So,
Search ka na nung sasabi sa salamin na camera. Ang ganda. Para kahit suot mo.
yung ganon.
Pwede rin panakot lang din yun para mas dali.
Ginagamit na niya ano yun.
Pwede ganon.
Kung kilala mo yung vlogger na si Kapinpin Brothers.
Kasi kung
Ah, talaga?
tatanggalin, pwede naman yan i-time.
Meron siyang may ganon siya.
Ganun kasimple lang yun. Huwag ka na
Okay, so we'll see later once magka-power sa stage. I'm gonna do a walkthrough of the Phantom. Ay, ito yung aking guest. Pag nag-walkthrough ako ng Phantom, kasi siya yung expert, si Jerry.
Expert hindi yan.
Hindi, tatanungin kita mamaya, tutulungan mo ako sa babae. Magdidiskusyon tayo.
Sige, sige.
Ano yung mga magagandang features at bakit ko pinili yung Phantom.
Nagulat din ako eh.
Nagulat siya.
Bumili.
Nagulat siya kasi nasira yung Kronos nung araw na yun. Biglang may Phantom.
Ginulat niya ako.
Pero hindi ko sinasadya yun. Akala ko kasi,
Pero nice choice.
may uuwi ko pa't mabubuting-ting.
Mawawalan lang.
Nagamit na.
Diba?
Oo na. Pero ito yung official na labas niya. Yung last time kasi crash test lang yung crash test.
Wala talagang program. Actually, preset talaga.
Diretso lang. Mamaya, sesetapan ako ni Maestro Jerry.
Magaling mag-isip. Magaling mag-isip ng bibilin.
Yan. Kasi the original plan was for me to get a Kronos 3. So bukod sa mahal siya, I didn't find any suitable plan or a suitable purchase plan, so to speak. Siyempre, di naman natin kayang i-cash yun. That's somewhere around 180,000 pesos. The Phantom is a bit cheaper than the Chronos 3. It's somewhere around 130. But I got it at a good deal. So, you know, for those, I'll just post it sa comments. There was a what we call handog sale here for the whole month. For those in the Philippines, you know what it is. It's sponsored by Yamaha. They run sale prices from 30% off until 70% off. And I got mine at a really good deal, which is why I got it. And apart from that, there are really good benefits to the Phantom 07. Short of the what do you call this, the flagship, because most of the functionalities that I need are already there. Apart from the fact that we play mostly 80s music, I checked all of the sounds that are in there. It's perfect, right? Apart from it being very easy to use, which I'll show later with Maestro Jeric. So, yan. So, we're just waiting for the power to get on and the technician to arrive so we can test the keyboard. Alright, see you later. Alright. So, kasama ako si Jeric and we're going to talk about the Phantom. Phantom 07. Right there. Ayan. So, ngayon muna mag-ibig. Ito'y natin. Para makita nyo. So, the reason it's 07 is because it's a 76 key keyboard synthesizer. Yan. So, parehas kami nung keyboard ni paring Jerry. Sa kanya, Phantom 06. 61 keys, but equally powerful. Tama ba? Tama ba? Yan. So, ano masasabi mo dun sa dun sa 07? Anong mga main features niya?
Number one kasi, music workstation siya. Tapos, yung mga function niya sobrang dami.
Oh.
So, number one, gaya ng playing style mo, both sliders, marami siyang pwedeng i-insert na tunog on the spot, pwede kong magano.
Yes.
Upload ng tunog. Then, may mga ibang features pa yan na pwede mong gamitin about sa pad mode. Pwede
Yes.
mong groupings dito. Pwede kang mag-layer. 16 na tunog. Pwede mong magamit yun sa isang patch lang. Hindi yung bumalik. So, kung meron kang sa bawat tugtog, mga 4 na layers, pwede mo i-grouping sa 4, pad 1, set up dito. Then, if meron ka namang mga sampling pad na hindi mo kailangan gamitin to, pwede mo gamitin yung screen. May mga features ang ganun.
So in other words, nakakatulong siya sa yung parang pagka real time nung pagpalit mo ng tunog per song. So hindi ka na magpipipindot kung saan-saan. Seset mo lang siya ng ganun.
Kahit nagpe-play yung sampling mo, pinindot mo dito, kahit i-off mo yung, i-exit mo yung tutunog pa rin siya. Hindi siya nawawala.
Yes.
Yung
Correct.
maraming features. Sobrang dami.
Nice.
At sobrang ganda ng keyboard niya. Kumpara dun sa
Keyboard.
sa 61.
So ito yon, yung pagpindot mo for pianists kasi very meticulous kami pagdating sa keyboard. Minsan kasi may mga keyboard pag pinindot parang napaka-flimsy or kontrapelo or malambot sobrang tigas naman. Sobrang lalim ng tunog ng pagka-press nung pinaka-key. So yun ang hinahanap natin, no. Bukod sa napaka-high-tech ng function nung
sobrang dami niya.
ng Phantom, ito isa sa mga hinahanap namin kahit saang keyboard, kahit anong keyboard ang bilhin namin. Yung saktong action ng keys. Yan.
Tapos meron pa siyang kapag mag-organ ka, ang lagi nakaset yun sa number 2. Para yung magagagamit yung drawback. Sa number 2 mo sila.
Oo. So yung mga, for those who are organ players, pag if you play an organ, there's what we call drawbars. Doon sa actual na organ, mga Hammond, mga ganun, mga BK, ganyan. Ngayon, ito, this one simulates the organ. Pag pinili mo yung pinaka-organ sa menu, magiging drawbars ito. Pwede mong matimpla yung
Pero
organ.
make sure na ilalagay mo sa channel 2.
Oo.
Sa 2. Dito, sa 2.
Yan. Hindi siya gagana sa 1.
Sa
Dito. Dito lang. Konting limitations lang, pero okay lang.
Hindi siya ganun ka.
Ano pa?
Yun nga. Sobrang niya.
F sharp.
Commercial. Ayun nga. So, marami siyang function talaga. Gaya nga ng mga sampling mo, tapos groupings, then sa tunog lahat. Kahit dito sa mga control niya, pwede mo rin yung mga attack mode and
Yeah.
pwede siya lang. So, kung medyo player ka na marami kang ginagawa, yun talaga isa sa mo siya, compare sa mga ibang keyboard na
Oo.
mga XPS series. Ito pinaka-high-end na
O lalo na sa tugtugan natin, mga 80s new wave.
80s series.
Sobrang daming tunog kasi ng 80s new wave eh. Kaya kailangan natin yung flexibility ng keyboard na may modern tsaka lumang tunog. Kasi syempre hinahanap din natin kahit yung analog sounds, di ba? So, marami yung kargadong new sounds and analog sounds. Same naman ito ng Kronos.
Same naman sa workstation.
Same lang. Yan. Kaya this is still one of my favorite babies. But there's a new baby in town.
Yeah.
This one.
Parang ito yung bunso eh. Parang kapatid. Ito yung kuya, ito yung
Yeah.
kapatid ng bunso.
Yes. This is still a very powerful keyboard. Kailangan alagaan mo lang talaga na maigi. At minsan madali siyang magtampo. Yan. Pero ito is the new thing. So, tanong ko sa'yo, bakit mo binili yung O6?
Sa number 1, yung playing style ko kasi, yun talaga, more on layer ako. Then, mga function na iba na, siyempre na-experience ko sa mga lumang kong Roland, yung mga kailangan ko. So, nakita ko dito, and may mga discovery pa akong bago, na marami siyang sikreto na pag talagang bibigyan mo ng time, makukuha mo siya ng madali. Yun
Yun.
lang ang pinaka-advantage. Sa tutunog, walang problema. Sa mga kailangan ko sa tugtugan, alas na din nila. Baga, yun yung nagustuhan ko sa
Alright.
station.
Workstation, yes. One-stop shop ang ating banda dito. Dahil apat-apat ang ating mga keyboards. Dalawang keyboardista. Dalawa kami eh. Si Jeric Boy. Ayan. At kasama din namin si Junie Boy. Ayan. Ating lead guitarist. Ano masasabi mo sa banda natin?
In between last time and this time.
Wow!
Happy guy.
Happy.
Yes.
Ayan. So that's our band. We're about to do sound check in a bit. Wala pa yung isang gitarista namin, but I think we can manage for now. Do sound check. Ayan. Thank you, Jeric. Ayan. Okay. So, yun. It's also one of the reasons I chose the Phantom. It's because there are functionalities that we need, that I can use either on the fly or pre-program to make sure that the sound comes out the right way. So there are also available what we call sound sets online that I can download to match the proper sound that's needed for the song. Some would say medyo overkill kasi parang apat yung keyboards namin. Pero I think it's just about right. It just depends on how you use the keyboard. Kasi hindi mo naman magagamit lahat ng sound na nandyan sa keyboard. No? But, one thing that you can be confident with is whenever you need a specific sound, it will always be available for that keyboard. And that's also one of the reasons why I chose like the Kronos, which is from Korg, and the Phantom 07, which is from Roland. Apart from it being a bit longer, pansin nyo, 76 keys nga. Because I also play a lot of solo piano songs, which would be very beneficial if I had a long key bed. Yan. There. So that's pretty much what why I chose the Phantom. Apart from it being a modern instrument already, it's gonna benefit me in the long run, pang future-proof ng ating mga shows and mga gigs. Yan. So hopefully makarating itong keyboard na to sa big shows, sa international shows. Hopefully, I know I'll get my money's worth with this. This is just part of the musical journey. Anyway. By the way, pagdasal niyo ako kasi medyo minamalat ako ngayon. So I hope I can sing well later. As always, I will include snippets of the show later. Just some snippets kasi baka makapiright tayo. No? We're in Pier 1 by the way. So this is as raw as it gets when it comes to the stage. Hindi pa nakuha yung LED. But I think we're well equipped when it comes to everything that's needed for the live show. This bar has always had like really good equipment since the re-management of Pier. So yeah, I'll see you later on the show itself. Post some snippets and post your comments or like, subscribe as well to the channel. Bye. So right now, Jerick is doing something on he's loading a sound set. Tawag dyan ay sound set. Yan.
Yan, top 80s. So,
So we're testing the sampling capability of the Phantom.
yun po. Yun po.
So he went into scene,
Yun.
and then export scene, select. May select pa yan.
Select. Ayan. So,
Okay,
i-clear lang
Then,
muna natin. Mamili lang tayo ng
pwede tayong mamili, no? Sige nga, teka, piliin na natin marami.
So, dito marami siyang tunog. Teka lang. Sorry. Dalawang kasi ito. Dalawang set. Ayun.
Bagay nyo na, di ba tayo sound check? Hindi. Okay na yun?
Ayun, top 80s select.
Ayan, 80s tayo.
So,
May sky full of stars.
so piliin na natin kung ano yung mga
Huwag mo
i-load.
lahat. 83 sounds.
Sama?
Select all.
Select all?
Pero
Sure ka?
dun sa...
Hindi yan magkano.
Sige. Pwede ko naman burahin eh.
Pwede mo naman.
Para di na ako kopya sa'yo.
Sige.
Ayan, so pinili na namin lahat. Execute.
So, tignan natin yung...
Tignan mo yung yung scene.
Puro initial pumasok Hindi yan papasok dun sa mga sa mga... so, yan. Okay. Lahat ng initial.
Yan.
Okay na yan. So, execute na natin.
Loading. Ang bilis. Tapos na. Testingin natin.
So, yan.
Sa C.
So,
Sa C yun.
sa C.
Dito. Tapos... Ay. C. Yan na.
Yan, ito na yan. Yan, Skyfall. Ano ba yung pumasok?
After na itong chandeliers.
Chandeliers, yan.
Yan, puro na yan.
Yan na yan.
Sky Full of Stars.
Then,
Yan.
hindi ko na alam yung dito. Ito na lang yung, ito yung mga kabisado ko.
This is Break Free. Break Free by Queen. Yes, sir.
And yung number 3, lead. Diretso yan.
Yeah.
Galing.
Ayos na ayos.
Yan, tapos yung iba, yung maganda rin eh.
Oo nga, no.
Tapos,
Bakit bump nakalagay?
hindi ba yan? Tapos don't you. Don't you.
Oo nga, no.
Ano pa?
Final countdown.
Hindi. Hindi ko na alam na kabisado, ikaw na ba?
Ako na bahala dyan.
Yung iba,
Radio Gugu, oh.
meron dito. Ay. Ito ba? Ito. Ayos. Meron mo na. Tapos ito. Tapos, stop loving. Ay, siguro stop loving yun siguro.
Alright. Yan, oh. Ano yan? Stop moving yun.
Stop loving yun.
Ah! We got Jerick the Master. Sobrang kabisado na niya eh, kaya ano.
Ganun din yun yung kada may message na ano yung mga para sa akin. Ganda na ano ito.
Ben, pitch Ben. Yan, fake on me.
Yung pangalawa. Pangatlo.
Yan! Meron ka dyan, di ba?
Saka sige ka. Tapos yung ano.
So yun, napasarap na si Jerick. Kaya muna natin siya dyan. He's I will check it out as well. We just loaded some sound samples onto the... Ha? Oh.
Oh, magiging 8 lang.
8 lang, no? Tanggalin mo kaya? Nasaan na yan? Nasa dyan. Anyway, so I'll see you guys later. When our next scene would be the actual gig already. So, but I'm happy with the sound set that we just loaded. We just got it from a friend, so it saves me a ton of time editing and all. So that's hours that needed. Yan, ginagawa ni Jerry. All right, I'll see you later. Tapos bridge.
F sharp.
Alright. We just finished our set. Ayan, nililigpit na nila. I think I've had really maingay lang. But the Phantom 7 is a beast. Ayan. Nililigpit na nila. What's up? Phantom 7 is a beast, and it's a great tool. It's a great keyboard. Thank you, Doc. Thank you, Doc. It's a great keyboard. It's something that I think I will use for a long, long time. Yeah. So I'm heading back to the band room. Tayo mga friends natin. Yun. Yeah. Okay. Face tracking natin para. Yan. Okay, so my assessment of the of the Phantom, it's a great tool. It's especially the 07 is a great master keyboard, and I think it's something I will use for a long time. I've had so many di ko pa nakakapa lahat. Pero na-sharean ako ni Jeric ng mga sound sets which I will explore at home. But tomorrow we have another gig, so mukhang more exploration on the fly. Yun naman talaga. Medyo kailangan nating mag on the fly testing. It's not a super complicated keyboard, but it's a very useful primary master keyboard. There are other options there where you can use your keyboard to control other synthesizers. Even use an iPad to control all of the sound sets. So meaning if you transfer a sound set or go to another sound set, all of the other instruments linked to it will also change sound sets as well. Yun. So that and all other functions of the Phantom will be explored soon. So watch out for other episodes of the Phantom, and of course I'll also make a documentary on the Kronos. There's a more detailed function when I'm at home para nasa studio ako. And then doon natin i-deep dive yung functions ng keyboard. But all the more I had a really great time running 3 sets with the Phantom as the master keyboard and the Kronos as the secondary keyboard. So yeah, so I'm excited to use it again tomorrow, and I can't wait for my customized case to arrive kasi gumamit lang ako ng lumang case for the Phantom. So, but thanks for tuning in, and let me know what you think about the details of how the Phantom works and the like for fellow keyboardists as well. So I just did a quick walkthrough of it, but I hope to see you again on the next episode. Thank you very much. Have a great night.